Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to remove the age restriction on X. First, tap on your profile icon in the top left corner, then go to your profile page. Next, click on Edit Profile and look for your birth date. Make sure it's set so that your age is over 18. If you need to adjust it, change it and then hit Continue. After that, head back to the main screen and tap the profile icon again. Scroll down until you find Settings and Privacy. Go into your account, then Account Information, and choose Country. Here, select United States from the list and save the changes. Now you'll need to use a VPN. Personally, I use Pivado VPN, which costs about $1 a month. I'll leave a link in the description. If you don't want to pay, you can search for free VPN options as well. Once your VPN is connected to a US server, go back and open X. You should now be able to see all content without restrictions. Of course, I can't display that content here for legal reasons, but this method should work perfectly for you.